Hello again, everyone. It's Jeff from New York, and we are coming to you live from a little bit west of the Vegas Strip. Well, maybe not live, but maybe in the future I'll be doing that. In any event, there's a couple of hotels and casinos on the west end over here that I want to check out. We already checked out the Orleans, so check that video out. It was released just before this one. And then we're going to head over to the Rio after this one and check that place out before we go back to the Strip. The hotel and casinos west of the Strip are really pretty nice, and I especially like the Palms, and I think you will too when we step inside. Also, keep in mind that these hotels and casinos west of the Strip are all within walking distance of the Strip if you like to walk. It's about a 15-20 minute walk. If you want to take the bus or an Uber, it's going to take you about 5 minutes. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And this is the registration area of the Palms, where you see the neon sign, "Wish You Were Here," and to me that looks like a photo opportunity. This shop is called Revolve, and it has coveted designer apparel, shoes, beauty, and accessories. Some other shops here at the Palms include the Palms Place Boutique and Stuff I Forgot. And when it comes to eating and drinking, it seems like these hotel casinos on the west end of the Strip have tons of places to eat and drink. For example, here at the Palms alone, you have the Ace Buffet, the Eatery, Green Street Kitchen, Laguna Pool House, Lucky Penny, Mabel's Barbecue, Sarah's, Scotch 80 Pine, Sen Noodles, Shark, Tim Ho Wan, Vitri Cocina, Apex Rooftop Social, Club Mr. Coco, Rojo Lounge, Tonic, and even more. You will obviously not go hungry here at the Palms, or just about any hotel and casino in this town. And a shout out to Wise Malik and John Torres. Both of them found Mitzi the Rubber Ducky Showgirl in previous videos. Good eye, guys. The Palms Buffet is called the Ace Buffet, or AYCE Buffet. Have you figured out what the AYCE in the AYCE Buffet stands for? I'll give you a couple seconds to try to figure it out. Even here on the west side of the Strip, it seems like the only time I don't see a line for a buffet is when the buffet is closed. This place is called Sen Noodles, obviously Asian fare, and noodles seem to be very popular in Las Vegas. You seem to see them in a lot of hotels and casinos around here. And here we have Pearl, a concert venue here at the Palms. It's got private bars and lounges, 18 skyboxes, and seats that go right up to the edge of the stage. I've never been here. They do get some pretty good acts, and from what I understand, there's not a bad seat in the house. Which I guess is another way of saying they're all expensive. No, I didn't forget. Did you figure out what the AYCE stands for Ace Buffet? It stands for All You Can Eat. Come on, that wasn't that hard. God bless fast food when I'm on location. It's inexpensive, convenient, and satisfying. I always say I'll take care of myself nutritionally when I get back home in New York. Or maybe not. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. When you do, you're automatically enrolled in the next $50 gift card giveaway here on the New York channel. If you plan on visiting Vegas in the near future, check out the link below in the description. 50 things to do and tips while visiting Las Vegas. This is the Brendan Theaters. Should you be the lucky one who gets stuck in a hotel on that one day that it rains in Las Vegas for the entire year, this is the place to come. It's got 14 screens, reserved seating, the newest features as far as theaters are concerned, and a full bar, surround sound, 70-foot screens, electric recliners, and personal tables at every seat. Hey, even on a nice, sunny, beautiful day, this might be the place to come. This is Mabel's Barbecue, and I love myself a good barbecue sandwich, so maybe I'm going to do a video coming up in the near future of barbecue places in Vegas. This beautiful piece of art is a neon Lamborghini, and it's parked right outside the valet pickup. It looks great in the daytime, but at night it's simply beautiful. Photo opportunity! Alrighty, we're going to head east on Flamingo Road to the Rio, which will be our next video. Don't forget to click on my Shizzle link, which is the newest feature on my videos here. You'll find it above, and it's my way of saying thank you to the YouTube creators community. There's so many good videos out there, and I just wanted to share some of my favorite ones with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.